Good morning! So today is a different plan altogether. It's our last day in Palenque, so we are going to go into waterfalls. So we booked this tour. The bus is going to pick us up in a few minutes. Can't wait! Can't wait! Yeah! Oh, and we have arrived to Misol-Ha waterfall. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna turn the camera and show you. This is amazing. Wow! Isn't that amazing? This is one of the first waterfalls here we are seeing in Palenque. This one we can actually swim. Oh yeah, let's do it. We are going down for a swim. All the way down, there is like bits of water coming through, like a separate tiny little waterfalls of some sort. Look at this. Go down, Daddy, go down. Now, check this out. We are behind the waterfall. Wow. And then hope you swim over there. That's the plan. Wow, just wow. Right? Oh yeah, and now we are in Agua Azul. This is our second waterfall. I don't know where to look. It's so beautiful everywhere. And I will just turn the camera to show you. How is that for the view? Rather amazing. Shall we go and eat something?
Yeah.
Fabulous. So beautiful. Okay, we're buying this beautiful bracelet. Look at this. This is obsidian.
Obsidian, turquesa.
Turquoise.
Turquoise.
This beautiful lady. Oh yeah, lovely lady. Oh my god. And the beauty continues. Oh, wow. Okay, for sure not swimming in this one is restricted. Just to show you. There's no swimming in these ones. Fabulous places to eat and like to buy souvenirs, and you see all that all the way up to the waterfall, and there's stools everywhere with food and t-shirts and loads of different goods. You can find whatever you want here. We'll have a dinner at our place because they serve a very good steak, steady steak. Even though it's so beautiful, I tell you about one situation. It just happened here in Agua Azul. So just some moment ago, we went for dinner, maybe like half an hour ago. And all of a sudden there was this boom, and they had a power cut. So we've asked, prior going in there, we asked if we can pay by card because we just ran out of cash, and they said no problem, no problem. So we thought, okay, then if it's to pay by card, it's fine. We can go for dinner, so on, so on. And then because of the power cut, there was no internet. There was the card reader. It was out of use. There was basically unable to pay. So that was a little bit scary. And then the local man offered to drive me in a tuk-tuk to the pharmacia, the cash point. But all of a sudden, when we got into the tuk-tuk, the power came back on, and I was able to pay. But I tell you what, we have only 20 minutes before we leave, so going to unknown town with a stranger in a tuk-tuk was no fun. But luckily, we managed to pay. It was a little bit of a scary moment there. But yeah, we managed. Yeah, so be prepared when you come to places like this. Take cash for sure, and because you never know what to expect. The power cut, it can occur at any time, and better to be prepared. Anyway, we managed to come out of this situation without any problem. Oh yes, so that's like a a moment of worry. Let's put it this way.